I'm Arun Gandhi. I'm having my business here in Pune. Actually, my wife is a sculptor, so she has a studio on the second floor. I just thought कि if anybody wants to come and see her, then he did not have to go to the studio through the house. For other things also, I thought कि there will be lift from outside, so there will be easy way to take her sculptures and all the materials up. So I thought to install a lift, and since we had the space, so then I was searching online in the Google. I searched for the lift and all, and then I saw Nibav lifts, and they are enjoying that, using up and down, going from the lift.
So it was very convenient to have the upper floor converted into studio. So this was like a surprise when Arun decided to have this lift. And as his first thought was, if somebody was to visit me, they don't have to, go through the house. And for me to carry clay, heavy things, so otherwise I still use staircase, but yes, the day I have to carry, I don't have to look for somebody asking for help, but very convenient, I can do it on my own, bring things down, or I have to carry something. And of course my grandchildren love it. They love to visit me on the first, third, second floor. Definitely design part is, we were wondering how it will look, because it is visible element in the house and it has to look nice and smart. So this is very quietly, smartly sitting in the veranda, very aesthetically nicely designed. And also as elderly people, I still remember my mother saying how much I want to go up and see your place, but it was not possible for us also to take her up. But now I'm looking forward when she can be here and go up and see my place, my studio, and also be with me on the first floor. So that way it's a great comfort.
So that is become very useful. So many people who are the elderly, without any hesitation, just to think that okay, now there is a lift, so they don't have to climb the stairs. So yeah, that is one very good thing. Then because I was very hesitant, because we can't dig up this floor because the drainage lines are going from below. So that was the first thing I took into consideration, ki there is nothing to be dug up, and there is no sort of heavy machinery, and it is a single phase power, and we don't have to do much for installing the lift except this round circle, and it's very comforting.